So when we're using the robot in a knee replacement, how has it actually changed the way we do it? Well, let's wind back a little bit and look at what we do in traditional knee surgery. The knee replacement basically involves resurfacing of the bones. Imagine that the two bones are coming together and forming your knee joint, and we just change the surface of the knee. Now in yesteryears, we would first cut one bone at a particular angle, which is supposed to be at 90 degrees, and then we recut the next bone and the next cut, and so on and so forth. Now if your first cut is off by more than 5 degrees, you would make it obvious in your own eyes. The human eye can detect it. But if it is less than 5 degrees, the human eye will not be able to perceive it, and you would come to know only at the end of the surgery that you're a little off by a few degrees. Now at that point in time, you really can't redo the whole thing again. And this may be one reason why knee replacements may not be all the time successful in all the patients. Now, how does robotic surgery change all this? Well, in the robotic surgery that we use in Apollo Hospital, we first perform a 3D CT scan of your entire leg and especially of the knee joint. A 3D model, a virtual model, is created of your knee joint, and this 3D model is then fed into the robot. Now, having had the image in the robot, the surgeon can then first perform a simulation surgery, a virtual surgery, a trial surgery, in which you can adjust by 0.5 degrees and 0.5 millimeters and make it absolutely accurate the way the surgeon wants it. Does he want the femur to sit in this direction, in that direction, so on and so forth. So all these things are pre-planned and predetermined before actually cutting any bone in the patient. And that is what gives rise to the extreme success that robotic surgery has now offered as a tool to the surgeon. The end result we see in all our patients who undergo robotic surgery, that the results are far better. The patient's pain perception after the surgery is much less, and the recovery is really rapidly improving. So this is what we see now with robotic surgery in the knee replacement. We also use robotic surgery for hip replacement. So the hip is basically a ball and socket joint in which the socket is changed and the head is also changed. Now, how does robotic surgery help? In the same way, we acquire a 3D CT scan in the first place, then measure our angles, determine how deep we want the cup to go, and we also determine at what angle we want it. All this can be determined before we perform any surgery or actual cutting of the bone in a patient. This transformation in surgery, especially in knee and hip surgery, has revolutionized the way the patients actually experience in the post-operative time, and the rapid recovery is a testament to the technological advancement that we see in science.